In this video, we're going to take a look at how your customers can use Snap financing within ShopBoss. This uses the 360 Payments integration and requires CFP to be enabled. If Snap is your primary lender, it'll appear directly on the work order and will offer financing. However, if Snap is your secondary or tertiary lender, it will first offer your primary, and then upon decline, Snap will be offered. On the work order above the total section, you'll see that financing is available through Snap. You can click this link to begin. Select Apply in CFP and a new browser tab will open. Snap requires that the application be sent to the customer. Click Text this page and add the customer's number followed by Send Text. You'll be notified that a text was sent and your customer should receive the text. Once they open the link, they can start the pre-qualification. They'll need to verify and then click through any disclosures. They'll need to confirm any pre-filled information and update any information that needs to be corrected. They'll add in income information and click Submit. Once they see the "Congratulations, you've been pre-qualified" message, their first step is done, and the next step is done back in ShopBoss. Items need to be added to the financing, and to do so, just click here. The service advisor will click Add Item and fill out the product information. If there are additional items that need to be added, you can click Add Item for each one. When done, click Save Item. Once the items are complete, add in the shipping information and click Submit. Note that this can be the customer shipping address, or in the event that nothing is being shipped, it can be the address of the shop. Once the service advisor receives confirmation that the items have been added, another text is sent to the customer to fill in the banking information and for signing. Note that the service advisor will not need to do anything else until the signing is complete and we're ready to finalize. The customer will add their bank information, at which point they'll be sent the documents to sign. In the meantime, if the shop does reopen the work order, they'll see that the next step is for the customer to sign. When the customer opens the link, they'll first see a summary of their transaction where they can see the amount and the fees. Once they continue, they'll be able to set up their payments, and then on the next screen at the bottom, they'll be able to click to sign. Your customer will see notification that they've signed their agreement, at which point in ShopBoss, we can now see that it's completed and ready to close out. Click through one more time, add in the amount of the transaction, and click Process. You'll see that the transaction was approved and a receipt will open. The payment will also post to the work order. You can see it by going to Revisions, Payments, Fees, and More and selecting Payments. Note that to refund the transaction, you can click the icon for refund by the payment, just like a credit card payment. And that's how you process a Snap transaction in CFP and ShopBoss.